The Agie psc-04G assembly WWID-96C is an embedded power supply and control board that provides backup to a machine. This unit is essentially a small self-contained UPS system, and after a full rebuild, the video shows the system continues to operate on battery power after main AC power is turned off. We received this unit from a machining company, and it was not operable at all. We performed our normal full rebuild, and we were able to fully revive this unit. At ERD, we routinely receive parts of machine tools such as this Agie, and we pride ourselves on determining how to fully test these products outside of their system.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.